So here we are, guys. Continuation. Brotherhood, loyalty, and freedom. Harley Davidson. I guess they... Well, look at the two bikes there. Now, I would like that one right there, the one on the left. Because that's kind of like a more modern style. Still with a classic touch to it. The other one is cool too. I don't know, I'll take both. I think I like the one on the right better because it's a higher bike. The other one is too low. I don't like them so low. I take the one on the right. Which one do you take? Do you take the one on the right or on the left? Wow, that's Harley Davidson. And this is, well, these businesses went out of business. Oh, here we go. This is the showroom part. Look at this big old hog. That's too much for me. 6-speed and all. And then some of the old classic ones, military type. That's the whole Harley Davidson shop in here. Look at that. Wow, look at all of that. I'm just not going to go in. I don't want to bother. But if you come to Medellín and you're in the Poblado area, here, Parque Jorges, you can come and check it out. And they even got like a little restaurant area up there where you can eat, drink coffee or something. It looks like it'll just talk business. I don't know. This is somebody's house. This is somebody's house. You got all these things here, all these restaurants in Parque Jorges, all of this, but this is a Monday. The day's just starting. Most of these things are closed. Vroom, vroom, Harley Davidson, baby. So, we're here at Parque Jorges. I'm gonna go up this street and come back down and go around to show you what people usually don't show you. And look at that. Take a picture in there like if you were in Hawaii or something. On Hawaii. A liquor shop. Selling all kind of liquor. I'm not a liquor person, but anyhow, I don't drink any beer. I don't drink any liquor. I don't smoke any strange stuff. I don't smoke, period. I'm just a good old vegetarian. Donde Chepe. At Chepes. At Chepes. So you got all of this. Some things are under construction. Some things are for rent. Some businesses went out of business and they're renting them out again. A lot of these nightclubs and bars just didn't make the cut. You know why? Let's not say why. Hey, look, somebody's got the American flag right over there and everything. Good old glory. Good old glory. And the Mexican restaurant here, look, Mexico, Viva Mexico, mariachi en vivo, live mariachis. Well, it doesn't seem to be out of business, so if you want that Mexican stuff, like that La Guachafita del Lleras and whatever, and the American flag there, and that's Parque Jorges. We'll see that in a moment. So we got Il Forno here. This is a very good restaurant. They got a lot of them around the city. Well, not a lot, not like 30 or 40, but they do have a lot. I didn't know this place. Pub Rock, live music, Guns N' Roses Medellín, Def Leppard, Scorpions. Wow, they're talking about all these things. Depeche Mode and Kiss. So that's like a bar and whatever. Look, Hooters, y'all. Hooters. Really? Hooters. Hooters, Hooters, Hooters. That's the restaurant. They're still in business. Hooters. So yeah, Rose Street parking building. I used to park my car here. This has been around for a long time. I haven't had a car in Colombia in 10 years, especially because I went back to the States in 2010 and I sold it. And then I got a Jeep Liberty there. I had that for a while. And then I came back this way. So here we are. Look at this. This is a restaurant here. Carnivore. Carnivoro means meat eater. Carnivorous. Carnivoro. Angus buffet, like Angus stuff. I don't promote that, but I'm just telling you what it is. And you got all these other things. Restaurants all over the area here. This is the Parque Jorges area. But this is just like around 1 p.m. I mean, people are just waking up. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. You know, it's just the beginning of the week. And there's not going to be any partying here until Thursday night and all that stuff. So, you know, they got this Scottish pub. Patrick's Irish pub. It's Irish now. It used to be a Scottish pub. Now it's Patrick's Irish pub. Look at this thing. You got the leprechaun up there. So look at the Irish way. Are you Irish? Look at that. Jägermeister. Yeah, I could do a good impression sometimes of an Irishman. And all of that. Or I don't know, what do you think? Can I do a good impression of an Irishman? Jägermeister and all of that good stuff? Let me take a picture of that thing. All right. And then you got Ay Caramba, the original Tex-Mex. But that one's out of business because there are no tables out. Unless they got them all put away. No, that thing went out of business. So this is Parque Lleras. And they're still recovering from the whole storm. What can we do? Juan Valdez coffee shop. Motorcycle man there. Pigeons. Hi pigeons. Fly like an eagle or like a dove or like a pigeon. So this is the Parque Lleras thing. And hoteles rentables, rentable hotels. That's a hotel right there, that building. That's a hotel. A restaurant over there. Some foreigners here and there. Kind of like scattered all over the place, spread out. It's a Monday and then you got people here selling their things. So this is the famous Lleras town. This is Parque Lleras and people selling their souvenirs for the foreigners that want to buy all this stuff. So this is Lleras Park. And that's it, guys. Showed you something. Stay tuned for a video about the Medellín Metro. Riding the Metro in Medellín. And all of that in Envigado, because the Metro goes through Medellín and through Envigado. And even Sabaneta. Well, look at that. One thing just fell right there. Luckily nobody was in the way. One of those palm tree, big branches or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. This is Calle 10, 10th Street. The famous strip to walk up from the Medellín Metro Poblado station. Some foreigners crossing the street there. Probably from the States or something. And there goes an Audi. I guess he's in a hurry. He's got diarrhea. Anyway, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next video next week. Riding the Metro in Medellín.